Today I'm going to remove a few of the baby aloe plants from the mother plant. You can see right there that big plant has put on all these little babies. There's probably 3 or 4. And I have a few friends that I want to give some of these to. So I'm going to gently pull up the babies so that I don't tear up the mama plant, because she'll just keep putting on. And then I'm going to transplant those. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do there. I want to show you what the roots look like on these little babies. It's amazing how many roots are in these, because they're pretty small, but you can see that, they're pretty loaded. So you want to make sure that you have enough room for the roots to grow, and make sure that all that white is covered up. You just want to really see the green sticking up out of the dirt as you go through and do that. So we want to get some good dirt and make sure that we're filling it up probably about 7/8 of the way. So you'll see I start here on this one, and I kind of underestimated how deep the root system was on this particular plant. And as you can see, that's not the appropriate way to plant. So I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to start over, because there's just no recovering that. You really have to, yeah, see how it's just kind of fallen over there. Yeah. So I'm going to start again and replant it, and it'll be good. Aloe is a good medicinal plant to have on hand. One of the active ingredients in aloe is mannose, which is one of the 8 essential glyconutrients that are needed in your body. When a baby's born, they are born with 3 of these glyconutrients, and the mother's milk provides the other 5 glyconutrients. Pretty cool. I used to always hear that breastfed babies had the best immune systems. Well, now you know why. Anyways, the gel inside of the aloe leaf is loaded with live enzymes. We've used it a lot personally for sunburns. It's great for your skin. A lot of cosmetics actually use aloe in it. I always take the leaf from the bottom of the plant when I'm harvesting. So thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you, and have a great day.